Hey guys, good to talk to you finally. We've been in production for the past 6 weeks, and now I'm very excited to show you our products right out of the assembly line and packaged in their final packaging, which you'll receive. Hey guys, just gonna show you the unboxing of each product. We have the Klever hub, comes out of its case, and you open it just like that. You'll have an instruction manual in here, and your hub comes inside. This is what it's gonna look like, and the QR code so you can scan it. It will come with its own Ethernet cord, which goes into your router, and the power plug. That's all you need. Alright guys, now the rest of the products. We have the white dimmer. Open it up, and this is what it looks like. Take it out, and that's your dimmer. We have the black switch as well. Open your box, pull it out. We got one switch here for 3 different gangs. Now we have the outlet. Open the box, and there's our white outlet. Take it out. That's the way it looks like. And of course, we have all of them in the rest of the colors.
Hey guys, we also wanted to show you some incredible functionality. Some of you have this plate, which is the normal regular style Decora plate sold everywhere. And as you can see, included in every switch and dimmer, when you unpack your product, you're able to remove the big single glass. And in your package, it comes with a small one, so you can place on your switch and dimmer real easily. So you'll be able to use it in your small regular Decora plate style. If I do it also with the dimmer, you'll be able to remove the big plate. You'll have your small one included in the box. So if you bought many Klever products, you'll be able to do this and have a switch right besides it. Obviously, they both come in both colors, and it'll look really nice in your home.